Hi boys and girls. This week we are going to be sorting compound words. A compound word is when you take two words and you put them together to create a new meaning. This may be a review for you, but reviews are always helpful. The thing about compound words is usually the spelling of each word doesn't change, we're just putting them together. So, for example, this first word, sunlight. If we look at this word, there are two different words within it, sun and light. They could be separate, but when we put them together, we create a new meaning. Let's look at another, headphones. Well, as two separate words, we would have head and phones. However, when we put them together, we get a new word and a new meaning, headphones. This next word, scrapbook. If we were to separate this, we would have scrap and book. Scrapbook. The next one, downstairs. If we were to separate this word, we would have down and we would have stairs. When we put them together, we have a new meaning and a new word, downstairs. And the last one, snowflake. Again, if we were to separate this word, we would have snow and we would have flake. When we put them together, we have the word snowflake. Thus, a new word and a new meaning. We're going to do our first sort according to the words that are underlined in red. So, snow. Oops, that's not red. Our first sort will be words with snow in them, words with light, words with head, words with book, and words with down. So if I pull my first word down, head first. So if I were to separate this word into two, I would have head and I would have first. When I put them together, I have a new word and a new meaning, head first. So I'm going to put this under the head category. The next word, daylight. If I were to separate this compound word, I would have day and then I would have light. So this would go under my light category. The next word, flashlight. If I were to separate this word into two, I would have flash and I would have light. When I put them together, I have a new word, flashlight. So again, this would go under the light category. I'll do one more. Bookmark. So if I were to separate the word bookmark, I would have the word book and I would have the word mark. Bookmark. So I'm going to put that under my book category. Again, this is a review and it might be pretty easy this first time. But remember, a compound word, the spelling for each word doesn't typically change, especially in this sort. They'll stay the same. We're just putting two words together to create a new word and a new meaning.